Welcome to PHP Guru. My name is Karan Sarve, and in this video I will show you how to use Google Maps in PHP. We are fetching current location based on the current latitude and longitude and showing the actual place on Google Maps. So without wasting time, let's start. First we create a new folder in htdocs, name as Google. Now create a new file in Google folder map.php. Now stay. So first we load a function on a page body to get the current latitude and longitude. So on load function, on load function name, write locate, and we write a script function locate navigator dot geolocation dot get current position init map comma fail. If function fail, then if function is failed, then gives alert failed may not be supported. So here just we loading a function on body of page locate. The locate function get the current latitude and longitude using the get geolocation current position method function, and if the function will fail, then execute the fail function and give alert failed may be not supported by the browser. If our function get the correct latitude and longitude, then call to function init map and pass the position to function. Now get let position dot coords dot latitude long position dot coords dot longitude variable map variable center new Google dot map maps dot lat long, pass the latitude and longitude variable map options center map type ID. equal to new Google dot maps dot map document dot get in ID. Map options. So here we passing the latitude longitude to the Google Maps lat long function, and map option is the option given by the map to zoom, set the center, and here we just showing the our map on map canvas ID. So now we define ID map canvas, give just a style width 70%, height 100 px. Okay, so now only the two plugins I need to be inserted. So I am inserting one jQuery and second is for the map. So now we run the program. Now we run the program. Okay, it's working fine. It's showing for development purpose only because I am using development purpose, and it's showing actual place. So if you like this video, share my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.